Why do I have multiple tents? I have a tent here, I have a tent over here, and why not just one big massive lung room in here? And the first thing I'm going to say is that I run autos and photos, and if I do all those in the same room, the light changes mess with it, you know? It's hard to have autos that are on 20 hours of light and then my photos, which are only on 12 hours of light while they're in flowering, next to each other. Another reason why I like separate tents is that if one tent happens to get like spider mites or some kind of mold or some kind of disease or something, it's not going to automatically just get transferred over to this if I'm not being careful. Like if I know it has a problem, I can keep it separated from this tent or out here. It is also much easier to control the humidity and the environment inside these tents compared to controlling one big room, especially when these plants can be in different stages of growing. If I have a perpetual grow going and I have like seedlings and younger plants and veg in here and plants and flower over here, the plants and veg or even seedlings need more humidity than what I do in flower. Am I perfectly set up to run these tents like this? No, I'm kind of running it like a mix between having the big large room and having the tents. I have a couple dehumidifiers, but they're dehumidifying my whole basement really right now. I'm going to end up walling this off right here or behind the grow tent. That way it makes it a little bit easier to control this environment. And I would like to get dehumidifiers and stuff where I can each have a dehumidifier in each tent. Well, not in each tent, it'd be outside the tent, but it'd be hooked to the tent. Because I have a lot going on right now. I have some plants in here drying in the dry tent. So I'm trying to keep humidity in there. This is in flower, so I'm trying to keep no humidity in here or a little bit lower. Same for over here. In one big large lung room, you can fit and customize more area where you can fit more plants in here, but I can only grow so much. I'm only gonna grow so much. So I don't need to jam pack everything in here in order to make everything fit perfectly. It just works this way.